Good morning, students. Hope you be fine at your respective places. Last time we have discussed this biological nitrogen fixation, and we have classified this biological nitrogen fixation into two headings: non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation and symbiotic nitrogen fixation. And non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation, which we have already discussed in the last video, and today we are going to discuss this symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Now, this symbiotic bacteria is there. Now, first, let us discuss what do we mean by the symbiotic. It is a relationship between the two in which both of them they are mutually benefited. Between the two organisms where they are both benefited. So, this symbiotic nitrogen, in this case, in symbiotic nitrogen fixation, there is the bacteria. That symbiotic bacteria, they are mainly found in the root nodules. Root nodules of the members of the family Leguminaceae. So this symbiotic bacteria, it is found in the root nodules of the members of the family Leguminaceae. और हमारे पास एक well known which we have read from our lower class, there is the bacterium which helps us in this symbiotic nitrogen fixation, and the name of that bacterium, which is called a symbiotic bacteria, that is the rhizobium. अगर हम लेग्यूमिनेसी फैमिली की बात कर लेंगे, we have got various members of this family, like we have got, for example, beans. That is an example where we will see this rhizobium bacteria is found. We have got these beans, जहां पर हम ये देखते हैं, yeah, we have got the pea, etc. Besides this family, Leguminaceae, symbiotic bacteria have also been found to occur. Besides this, now we have got one more case where we will see this symbiotic bacteria. This symbiotic bacteria, besides in the root nodules of this family Leguminaceae, this symbiotic bacteria, it has also been found to occur in the root nodules of Cycas, एनालस एटसेट्रा. ये हमारे पास एक और है. थर्ड अगर हम देखेंगे, दिस सिम्बियोटिक बैक्टीरिया इट हैज बीन फाउंड, अगर हम इसकी बात करेंगे, इट इज अगेन इन द रूट नोड्यूल्स. अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, दिस सिम्बियोटिक बैक्टीरिया इट हैज ऑल्सो बीन फाउंड इन द लीफ नोड्यूल्स, in the यहाँ पर root nodules, but now in this case it is the leaf nodules in some members of the family Rubiaceae. Not all, but some members of the family Rubiaceae. Also, अगर हम इसकी एग्जाम्पल देंगे, वहां पर हम एक एग्जाम्पल देंगे, that is, for example, Mycobacterium. Now we have got one more example, some blue green algae. या अगर हम बात करेंगे, we have got blue green algae, or which are simply called as cyanobacteria. बैक्टीरिया की हम बात कर लेंगे, where we will see that also have this symbiotic association with plants. They have got symbiotic association with plants, like अगर हम बात करेंगे, we have got lichens, for example, लाइकिन्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लिवरवर्ट्स या एंथोसिरास, जिसको हम एग्जाम्पल हम लेंगे एंथोसिरास, या हमारे पास एक और एग्जाम्पल है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द एजोला एटसेट्रा. So this symbiotic bacteria, it is mainly found in the root nodules of the members of the family of Leguminosae, and that name of the bacterium is Rhizobacterium. Family के जो these are beans, pea, etc. It is also found in the root nodules of the what we call as the Cycas analysis, etc. It is also found, the symbiotic bacteria is found also in the leaf nodules of some of the members of the family Rubiaceae, and the bacterium here is the Mycobacterium. Now, blue-green algae or cyanobacteria, they also show symbiotic association with plants like with some plants. We have got examples lichens, we have got Anthoceras, we have got this Azolla. Now, this was where this bacterium, symbiotic bacterium, survives and lives. Now, this symbiotic nitrogen fixation, it can be discussed under two headings. First heading जो हमारे पास है, that is nodule formation. First जो हमारे पास heading है, that is nodule formation, and जो हमारे पास सेकेंड हेडिंग है दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. सेकंड जो हमारे पास है प्रोसेस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. फर्स्ट जो हमारे पास दिस सिम्बियोटिक नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, इट कैन बी डिस्कस्ड अंडर टू हेडिंग्स. फर्स्ट वन इज दिस नोड्यूल फॉर्मेशन, और सेकंड हमारे पास है दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, एंड दैट फिक्सेशन इज बायोलॉजिकल. दैट इज बायोलॉजिकल. नाउ let us try to discuss first this nodule formation, how these nodules are formed. Members of this, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे जो Leguminosae family के जो members हैं, we have got these beans, we have got peas, we have got soya beans, etc. For example, if I draw the diagram, if this is the soil surface, this is the root, these are the primary branches, this is the primary branch, these are the secondary branches, and now these are the tertiary branches. What we will see in the roots of what we will see in the members of this Leguminosae, what we will see on their tertiary branches or on the base, on this what we will call as the secondary branches, what we will see, or sometimes अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, these are these blisters like structure, they are not simply these, actually they are not the blisters, or sometimes on this primary root also, what we will see that on the roots, on the secondary and tertiary roots, and sometimes this primary root, what we will see, they bear small swellings, nodule like swellings. Nodule like swellings, they seems to us like that of the blisters, but actually they are not the blisters, but these are these nodules. Now what happens there, what we will see, जो rhizobium जो होता है, the bacteria जो होता है, it penetrates, it makes its way into this root. How it makes its way into the root? Through it makes its way into the cortex, root cortex, through infection thread, through infection, or simply हम कहेंगे infection thread. Rhizobium bacteria, what happens there, जो rhizobium bacteria होता है, it makes its way into the root cortex through the infection thread. उसी के साथ साथ हम क्या देखते हैं, when this bacteria is making its way into this root cortex, we will see at the same time cortical जो होता है, cortical cells of the roots जो इसके होते हैं, जो cells of the cortex, they are stimulated, टू डिवाइड, वो डिवाइड हो जाते हैं vigorously. They divide and redivide, they divide many times, they divide vigorously to form nodules on the roots. So two phenomena they take place. First, जो बैक्टीरिया जो होता है सिम्बियोटिक जो राइजोबियम होता है, इट मेक्स इट्स वे इनटू द कॉर्टेक्स, root cortex, through the infection thread. But at the same very time, the cortical cells of the roots, they are stimulated rather to divide vigorously. Yeah, they are divided, they divide and redivide, they divide vigorously to form these nodule like structures, nodules on their roots. Now neither this rhizobium bacteria nor this root, हम बात कर लेंगे जो बैक्टीरियम होता है और द प्लांट जो होता है वो अकेला, वो दे कैन नॉट, वो अकेला इस नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स नहीं कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं कहूंगा कि जो बैक्टीरिया है इट कैन ऑल इट्स अलोन, या तन्ही तनहा इस नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स कर लेगा, या मैं ये कहूंगा कि जो ये प्लांट है राइजोबियम प्लांट, सॉरी दिस लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट, इट कैन, ये भी तन्ही तनहा इस नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स कर लेगा, दैट इज रॉन्ग. But what happens, जो nitrogen fixation, it is simply the what we'll see when this rhizobium and this plant, they have got a symbiotic relationship. जब इस rhizobium bacteria and this root, they have got this symbiotic relationship, and when it is because of this symbiotic relationship between the two that this fixation of nitrogen can take place. When a section of this nodule is observed, जब हम इस नोड्यूल को ऑब्जर्व कर लेते हैं, if I draw the diagram, when the section of this nodule is observed, जब हम इस नोड्यूल को ऑब्जर्व कर लेते हैं, what we will see, there we will see a pigment, and that pigment is called as leg hemoglobin. When a section of root nodule is observed, what we will see, there is the presence of this pigment, and that pigment is called as the leg hemoglobin, and it is because of this leg hemoglobin जो कलर बन जाता है इस root nodule का, it is somewhat pinkish in color, like that of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin जो है it imparts red color to the blood, while this leg hemoglobin it imparts pinkish color to this root nodule. And this leg hemoglobin, इसका अगर हम देखेंगे कंपैरिजन कर लेंगे, it is somewhat, अगर हम बात करें, closely related to this hemoglobin. And अब ये leg hemoglobin ऐसे conditions तैयार कर लेता है, it creates such conditions in the root which helps us in fixing this nitrogen. एक और बात, this hemoglobin, अगर हम बात करें, it has got the affinity with the oxygen, like that this leg hemoglobin it also has got affinity with this oxygen. Now जो fixation होती है नाइट्रोजन की, it is done with the help of the enzyme that is called as nitrogenase. Now in the fixing of nitrogen, an enzyme is required, and the name of that enzyme is nitrogenase, and this nitrogenase enzyme, it functions, yeah, it works under anaerobic conditions. Not aerobic, that means in absence of oxygen, it works anaerobic condition. Now this leg hemoglobin, it combines this leg hemoglobin. What happens, this leg hemoglobin, I will write the equation like this. Leg hemoglobin, it has got the affinity with oxygen to form the enzyme nitrogenase. अब तो वहां पर ऑक्सीजन नहीं रहता है. दिस नाइट्रोजनेज इट नाउ वर्क्स अंडर anaerobic conditions. नाउ दिस नाइट्रोजनेज एंजाइम की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, इट इज अ प्रोटीन. द एंजाइम नाइट्रोजनेज इज अ प्रोटीन, एंड इट प्रोटीन वो कैसा है, इट इज अ molybdenum iron protein. It is a molybdenum iron protein, and this protein has got the capacity that it converts the atmospheric nitrogen. It has got the tendency to convert the atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. This nitrogenase, it is a molybdenum iron protein, and it has got a tendency to convert this atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. And the whole process जो हम equation लिखेंगे वो equation कैसे रह जाएगी? Let us see here. The equation will be nitrogen plus, what we will see this, it means the electron plus hydrogen ion, very good, plus what we will see ATP, 16 ATP, and it gives rise to the what we will call as the ammonia plus proton यहाँ पर plus ADP, that is the 16 adenosine diphosphate plus 16 protein phosphate यहाँ पर आयन देता है. So what we will see, this lag hemoglobin, it combines with the oxygen to form the enzyme nitrogenase, and this nitrogenase enzyme, it functions anaerobically, and this helps us in converting the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. Now what basically is this nitrogenase enzyme? It is the molybdenum iron protein which has got the capacity to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. That reaction is like this: nitrogen plus A times electron plus A times proton, and what we get, and 16 ATP, it gives us this ammonia, and the whole reaction, it is inorganic phosphate, rather it is inorganic phosphate. So this is how this nodule formation में हम क्या देखते हैं. So when we study the section of the root nodule, what we will see that there is in this nodule there is the presence of the pigment, and that pigment is the lag hemoglobin, and this lag hemoglobin, it imparts pinkish color to it. And now this lag hemoglobin, it is similar like that of this, it has got similarity like that of the hemoglobin, that this lag hemoglobin, it is has the tendency, the affinity with the oxygen. When this lag hemoglobin, it combines with the oxygen, it forms this enzyme nitrogenase. Now this lag hemoglobin, it creates such conditions that this fixation of nitrogen takes place. This nitrogenase, it is a protein which is the molybdenum iron protein which has got the capacity to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, and the whole reaction जो हमारे पास है, that is this process. So in the symbiotic nitrogen fixation, this was the first step, how in the nodule formation. Now in the second step, what we have to discuss, the process of the biological nitrogen fixation, and that step we will discuss in the next video. Until then, goodbye, God bless you, thanks.